Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Roblox Premium with your Paysafecard. It's actually really easy and simple. When you're on your Roblox homepage, you want to come here top left, you want to click on these three icons right here, three list type icons, and click on Get Premium, okay? Once you click on Get Premium, you're going to be redirected to this page. All you need to do is click on Get Premium again, and now you're going to see a bunch of different options for the amount. I'm going to pick $10 a month for 1,000 Robux each month. I'm going to click on Subscribe now, and this is going to redirect me to another page where I can set up my payment methods. Now, a Paysafecard, guys, it is a credit card. That's the first thing. And it's a MasterCard. So this is what you want to click on. You want to click on this option right here. Credit card with a MasterCard one right here. Click on this. And now it is going to ask you to fill in your details. All you're going to need to do is, okay, let this load up. Now, here, I want you to fill in your details, your card number, which shows in the card, and then your expiration date, and then the CVV2, you'll usually find it at the back of your card. So you flip your card at the back, you're going to see like a three-letter, well, three numbers you're going to see on in the back of your card. Just want to type that in, and that will be your CVV2. This is one of the most important parts of your card. So just click on that, click on authorize, and then go and click continue, and boom, you're done. You're gonna get your Roblox Premium with Paysafecard. Literally that easy and simple, guys. This video helps. Make sure you like, comment, and of course subscribe because we have a lot more Roblox videos coming up. So make sure you subscribe.